Toodyay, a charming little town where history, nature and community all blend together seamlessly.
Located 85 kilometres northeast of Perth, Toodyay makes for the perfect weekend escape from fast-paced city life. But what to do and where to stay? Well, leave that up to me.
Firstly, let's step back in time and wander the streets, taking in the historic buildings that are thankfully well preserved. Buildings like the old post office, Connor's Mill and Newcastle Jail Museum all offer a great insight into the town's history. Here at the jail, you can learn all about the era of Moondine Joe. Born Joseph Belitho Johns, he was known as a convict, escapee and hero for the average man from the bush. Explore the tiny cells dotted with original artefacts as you make your way to the old police stables and retrace the town's colourful past. Who knows what secrets you'll uncover here? Make it out of jail and you'll discover a number of great walking trails in the region, or just take a stroll along the banks of the Avon River. When it comes to accommodation, there's plenty for any traveller, but for me, Toodyay Caravan Park is a great little hideaway. Located within walking distance from town, the park offers all the usual amenities with pets welcome, plus a canoe launching site so you can explore the Avon River close up. Now, spring is just around the corner and there are two things you must check out when in the Avon Valley this time of year: the wildflowers and the races. Nestled within the rolling hills of the beautiful Avon Valley, Toodyay Racecourse offers picturesque views of the West Australian countryside, and the racecourse is one of the region's most unique landmarks. This track will come alive on September 22nd for a day of family fun and entertainment. It's been a few years with no races held at Toodyay Race Club, and the community have worked so hard to upgrade the track, railing and facilities to put on this amazing event. So Di, the club has a rich history. Can you tell us a bit about that?
Yes, Toodyay Race Club was established in 1865 and run, as far as we know, continuously up until 2009, when the bushfires came through and wiped out all of this part of our community. And it took them a couple of years to get it back up and running.
And there's been a bit of a break in race meets here, is that right?
The last 2 years we've run at Belmont Park, just while we're renovating the club and getting it back to standard. And this year it's all back up and running again and we're ready to go.
I can see the community are excited about it because they're all here today, blood, sweat and tears, trying to get it ready in time for September. It must mean a lot to them.
We've got a very proactive committee that are well connected throughout our community, and that's what keeps us going.
And everyone's obviously excited for September. Can you tell us a bit about the race meet?
We've got loads of children's entertainment, food vendors. You can bring your own picnic. We have a band that closes off the race meet so that you may not be ready to go home after the last meeting, so you can stay and dance into the night.
And fashions on the field, I hear?
Absolutely, we've got fashions on the field for women and men. It's just a really interactive day.
Well, there you have it. Why don't you add Toodyay to your list for your next weekend escape for history, natural beauty and fun all in one.